At Cranbourne Primary School, we acknowledge the traditional custodians of the land, the Bungarong, with people on which we stand today, and recognise their continuing connection to land, water and culture.
We pay our respects to their elders past, present and emerging.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are young and free. With golden soil and wealth for toil, our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Well, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to this week's Cranbourne East Primary School online assembly. So good to see you all out there. Well, it's been a really exciting week of school, and I'm thinking about the year preps who celebrated 100 days of being at school. That is their 100 days wiser celebration, and it was so wonderful to see all of the old people, our preps, dressed up, and especially our teachers, who I must say I really didn't recognise. So really big thank you everyone for joining in. It was great to be able to celebrate those 100 days of learning. My next point is about acknowledging a person around the school who does a really important job, and that is Damien. Damien's known as our OSSA, or On-Site Service Assistant. And Damien you'll see around the school, tidying up the school, fixing things, cutting grass, repairing things around the school that need our attention. And when you see Damien around, I want you to go up to him and say a really big thank you for all the work that he does, because the school is clean and it's safe and it's well maintained, and it's because of the work that Damien puts in. He really cares for, well, not only our students and staff of the school, but he cares for the school. So a big thank you, Damien. Well, today our preps took part in the Responsible Pet program, which was fantastic. And that was all about our prep students being safe and caring for animals. Next week, I get to visit the Year 2 students, and I'm really excited because I have a presentation on history, past and present, where I can talk about two areas. One is what school was like when I was your age, and also I can talk about when we were building the school. I'm very excited. Did you know when I was your age at school, we had no iPhones, no computers, no iPads? These things weren't even invented. Coming weeks, we've got the Year 3 camp coming up. I know there's a lot of excited students about heading down to the Briars at Mount Martha. I know our staff at school have been doing a lot of work preparing that camp. Excuse me. And I certainly look forward visiting our students while they're down at the camp. We've also got the Year 2 sleepover coming up, where our Year 2 students actually get to sleep overnight at the school. And again, I'll be looking forward to that because I will actually be staying at the school with our students and staff. Well, that's all from me this week. Stay safe and have a wonderful weekend. Remember to read every single day, even on weekends. And if you're riding a scooter or a bike, please ensure you wear a helmet. You ride safely and sensibly. Stay safe on the roads. All right, thank you, everybody. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you around. Bye now.
Hello, who's ready to have a laugh? All right, this week's joke I was told by one of the students in the yard, and it made me laugh so hard I just had to share it with you all. So here we go. What is a sheep's favourite food? 10 seconds thinking time, see if you can work it out. All right, let's see if you got the answer. What is a sheep's favourite food? Banana. I hope you liked that one as much as I did and it gave you a laugh for the week. Have a wonderful rest of your day. I'll see you all soon.
Next week's SWPBS goal is we play in designated areas.
Places to play at CEPS.
Basketball court and the oval.
The senior playground.
So for the senior playground, year 3s will be playing on Monday, year 4s on Tuesdays, year 5s on Wednesdays, year 6s on Thursdays, and year 3s and 4s on Fridays. So for the pirate ship, preps on Mondays, year 1s on Tuesdays, year 2s on Wednesdays, year 3s and 4s on Thursdays, and 5s and 6s on Fridays.
Hi everyone. Well, last week everyone would have received their prizes for our Colour Explosion Fun Run fundraiser. And I am very, very proud to say that as a school, we raised a total of $18,036.70. An absolutely incredible effort by our school community, and I want to say a very big thank you to each and every student who did their very best fundraising. That is going to be a lot of new student laptops we are able to purchase and put into learning spaces for our students to use. So a big congratulations and well done. We also have some prizes for some of our big fundraisers. So here we go.
Hi Chase, thanks for popping in today. Do you remember last time we had the Colour Explosion Fun Run?
Yes.
Yes. Well, you and your family raised an amazing, an incredible $800 for the school, which makes you the highest fundraiser out of all the students and families in the school. So today, I'm really proud and excited to award you with the highest fundraising student certificate. I can also present you with the highest fundraising medallion, and you can wear this around your neck so that everybody can see who you are and what you received, and also a Monstar toy. So congratulations, and know that the money your family and friends raised will be going into the school to buy iPads and notebook computers. Thank you.
All right, first up, the student that was the highest fundraiser in each class has gone into a special draw to win an amazing Monstar backpack. So let's do the draw and see who the lucky winner is. Here we go. With an impressive $300, the winner of the backpack is Amira L from 1C. Congratulations.
Hi Mo, thanks for joining me today. I've got some really exciting news for you. Do you remember the Colour Explosion Fun Run? Yes. Where we ran around the oval and had so much fun throwing powder? Well, your family and yourself raised over $300, which is absolutely amazing. Now what we did, we wrote the names down of every student who raised the highest amount of money in every class, put them in a big box, and we shook that box up. We picked a name out, and your name has come out of that box as the winner. So today I can present you with a Monstar backpack. You'll be able to put your lunch and your books and your coat, toys, anything you like in this backpack. And I'd like to give that to you to take home this evening. So thank you.
All right, next up, every student who raised $20 or more is going into the draw to win an HD camera. Let's see who this lucky winner is. And the winner of the HD camera is Harris A from Prep G. Congratulations, Harris.
Hi Harris, thank you for joining me today. I've got some really exciting news. Do you remember the Colour Explosion fun run we had last term, which was lots and lots of fun? Well, you have raised over $20. In fact, you and your family have raised $30 for the school. And for all those people that raised over $20, we put their names into a big box and drew out a name, and your name was selected. So I'm really excited to be able to present to you a action camera that you'll be able to make lots and lots of movies, take lots of pictures with, and have lots of fun.
And lastly, every student who raised $50 or more has gone into the draw to win a Lenovo tablet. Let's see who this lucky winner is. Here we go. Who is it? It is Liam W from 1T. Congratulations, Liam.
Hi Liam. Well, I've got some really exciting news for you. If you remember our Colour Explosion fun run, and lots of families did lots of fundraising, well, you raised for us over $50. In fact, you raised $170, and your name went into a special prize draw. Your name was selected, and today I'm going to award you a Lenovo Tab M7, which is like a little iPad. So congratulations, that's for you, and I hope you enjoy. I know you'll really enjoy it. Okay? Yeah. Thank you and well done.